Hello friends, it's Merlene here with Savory Thoughts at savorythoughts.com. Welcome back to our channel. If you are here looking for ways to have a functional kitchen, including preparing delicious meals for yourself and your family, I encourage you to please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on when we post new videos. Now, in this video, if you are looking for the most delicious, moist, and addictive jalapeno cornbread, look no further. Okay guys, I'm so excited to be sharing this video with you all. So let's begin. To make this delicious jalapeno cornbread, here's what you need to do. First, we're starting off with sifting our flour. Next, we're adding in the cornmeal, followed by the salt. This is just to balance out the sweet flavor. And we're also adding in baking powder and baking soda just to elevate and use it as a leavening agent. Whisk that together and set it aside. Next, here comes the star of this cornbread, which are the jalapenos. Starting off with cutting it in half. Next, we are going to remove the seeds and the core. Once you are done removing the seeds and the core, go ahead and start slicing and dicing your jalapeno pepper. And also, this recipe is on our website at savorythoughts.com. Make sure that you dice them into bite-sized pieces, as you do not want large chunks in your cornbread. Set it aside. And let's move on to our wet ingredients. For this recipe, this is what makes it so moist. We're adding in 1 stick of butter, followed by sugar, then buttermilk. The buttermilk will also provide extra moisture to the jalapeno cornbread. And we're also adding in cream corn, 1 egg, vanilla extract, and we are adding in the diced jalapenos. Go ahead and whisk it all together. Now we are going to combine the wet and the dry ingredients together. Continue to whisk. You can also use a spoon just to help you out if you do not want to use the whisk. Whisk or stir until well combined and transfer to an 8x8 baking dish. Be sure to spray your baking dish with cooking spray before adding in the batter. Give it a quick shake and bake it at 350 degrees for about 35 to 40 minutes. Check to see if it's done. Apply the butter and cut. Best to cut it into sizable squares. And you are done. Your jalapeno cornbread is ready for you, especially for Thanksgiving, for you to enjoy with your family and friends. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell as we post new videos weekly. Cheers.